Hey guys, this is Sarah. So let me tell you about something that honestly changed how I watch TV. And I'm not exaggerating. For years, I was paying over $100 a month for cable. And for what? Half the channels I never even touched. Random fees showing up on my bill every month. And the experience? Terrible. You know what the worst part was? The freezing. I'd be sitting here on a Sunday watching a live football game, and right when something big is about to happen, the screen freezes, just stops, sometimes for 5 seconds, sometimes for 30, and then it comes back all pixelated and blurry like I'm watching TV from 2005. I dealt with that for years because I thought that's just how it is. I thought streaming would be even worse. I kept telling myself there's no way an app can replace real cable. It's gonna buffer, it's gonna lag, it's gonna look terrible. I was completely wrong. A friend told me about Smart 4K CC, and I figured, why not try it? So I signed up. Took me about 2 minutes. No technician coming to my house, no drilling holes in my wall, no contract, no installation appointment. I just choose the plan that I was more comfortable with on their website, smart4kc.com. After I sign up, I received an email with auto-generated and secure payment link that allows me to pay with several available payment options. Then paid after 2 minutes, received the login email with instructions, of course, and it was super easy to install and log in. I followed the instructions and installed the app on my TV, logged in, and I was watching live TV within 5 minutes. And here's what really surprised me, the quality. I'm talking crystal clear 4K on every single channel. I started flipping through channels and every switch was instant. No black screen, no loading bar, no buffering wheel, just smooth, clean transitions from one channel to the next, exactly like cable should have been this whole time. But the biggest thing for me was the freezing, or I should say, the complete lack of freezing. I've been using Smart 4K CC for months now. I watch live football every single week. Basketball, baseball, news, everything. And I have not had one freeze, not one dropout, not one moment where the picture went blurry or the sound cut out. It just works. And the price? I'm paying a fraction of what cable was charging me. A fraction. For more channels, better quality, and zero headaches. Look, I totally get it if you've never tried a streaming service before. It feels like a big change. You're used to your cable box, your remote, your setup. But honestly, once you try Smart 4K CC, you'll realize there's nothing to be scared of. It's the same channels, the same live TV, and even more, an extremely huge VOD library, just better quality, lower price, and no freezing. If you're still paying too much for cable and dealing with buffering and freezing, do yourself a favor. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can try Smart 4K CC for free, no risk, no commitment. And I promise you, once you see how smooth it is, you're not going back to cable. Thanks for watching. And if this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I'm going to be sharing more tips like this to help you save money and get better entertainment. See you in the next one.